now that we got our fire started, we're gonna get ready and do this mod here that we're gonna do tonight. It's gonna be dark soon, so we'll try to do it quick. We got a couple beers here. Let me show you the mod. This is the diamond floor mats. You probably, I don't know, might seen other people do a video on these, but I think they're pretty sick leather, fake leather floor mat. Let's get into it. We're gonna do the back seat first. Try to find those ones out here. I reckon that's it. Here's the back, part of the front. Well, diamond car mats, 25% discount with this code. Inside the box, comes with some spare clips and such. I'm gonna jump into it, do the back seat here. Oh, by the way, it's got these little things. These tuck under your plastic. There's Velcro to attach to the carpet. It's a nice, I'm not gonna say it's real leather, but it feels nice, good quality. It's got red stitching, red and black. I'm all about red and black. Go. We're just gonna go straight over top of the old carpet. Not even gonna remove them, just leave them in. So these are designed to cover 90% of your floor space of your Jeep. They custom make these to fit every vehicle. So you order them online, you put in your vehicle make, and we'll make them custom fit to fit your vehicle. Pretty sick. Good there. Let me come over here. Let me show you these clips here up close. So these clips, we're just going to turn them up and under the plastic. Clipped in there. Same up here. There's another clip. Thing here, the clip, stick it out, tuck it in. Just tuck it around. Just want to get a closer look. It's looking good, pretty nice fit, gotta say. They did a great job measuring this out. This little hump, that should wear down after time, sit a little more flat, but other than that, back is done. Let's move on to the front. Let's do the passenger. Supposed to lay these out flat on the ground for a while where it's warm, but it's not warm here. Then they flatten out and I gotta push this in. Alright, let's go do the passenger side. Okay, we got the passenger all ready to tuck in there. Just gonna, same deal as the back, use the clips, tuck them under. You got some Velcro, it's gonna help you out. These things cover a lot of space, love it. There. here. Passenger side's done. You can see how it matches the holy shit handles we put in the other day. Liking the fit, looks good, sexy. Let's do the driver's side. Here we go, we got the driver's side, last one. Pretty quick install. They do say these things are waterproof. I've seen in the commercial, they literally hose them over the hose and just wipe them out. Put them to the test with our wet boots later. Let you know how they do. Camera in there. The seat back. There's our clips again. That's really it. Let me know what you think of these diamond floor mats. Nay or yay? It's another mod from Renaissanceman. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.